Love me like you do. Oh boy, I'm so down for you. So love me like you do. Love me like you do. Love me like you do. 'Cause boy, I'm so down for you. I'm so down for you.
Hi dolls, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm just showing you my flat iron process, and with that being said, a length check as well. So it's been almost 3 months since the last time I flat ironed my hair, and I don't typically flat iron my hair often. I usually only flat iron my hair on relaxer days, and sometimes not even then, but I did want to show you all a length check today. So at the end of the video, stay tuned for that so that you all can see where my hair falls. Now, if you are new to my channel, my name is Mrs. Cowart, and I share my journey of my relaxed hair, just showing you all how to take care of your hair at home, showing you that it is possible. We will make mistakes, we will have those throughout our journey. However, we're going to learn from those mistakes, and we are going to be growing our hair healthy. I'm going to do a little dusting after this video. However, I'm not going to do a major trim until I do my actual relaxer. So stay tuned for that, you dolls. I will be doing a relaxer hopefully within the next 14 to 16 weeks. I am 11 weeks post relaxer, and my new growth is like, whoa. I am dealing with 2 to 3, 4 inches in certain areas of new growth, and I'm just having a difficult time trying to keep it moisturized. Thank God for deep conditions every week, because that has helped to soften up my new growth to get me throughout the weeks. But I'm going to go ahead and let you all enjoy the video, and I will pop in every now and then. So enjoy.
Sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Days just keep on getting much darker. Even when I'm down in the low, I remember.
She is pretty flowy and big. Okay. Come through with the inches. My ends are still looking pretty awesome. Looking pretty good. That's what my ends are looking like. So far, we'll need a little trim, but overall, it's looking nice, feeling nice. You wouldn't even think that I am, what am I, 10 weeks, 11 weeks post relaxer? Boom, and just it hit them edges just a little bit. Look at that. People say, look at God.
About the stuff we play, how I'd rather do that instead. I keep screaming out loud from the top of my lungs, baby. Ooh, think about the stuff we play, how I'd rather do that instead. I keep screaming out loud from the top of my lungs, baby.
here to here and just showing. So that is like at 14. At 14, if we bring it down, it's a little past 14. And just, if you can tell, that's 14. That's not too bad. So I want to just measure again by just grabbing a piece of hair in the front and I'm just going to put it directly on the root and bring the hair onto it. So yeah, that's like 14. I'm not even stretching it, so that's about 14. And it's not even at the root. So we're just saying my hair is literally like 14 inches. So I'm going to be using the Olaplex number 6, which is a bond smoother. So we're gonna go ahead and put some of that on. Hopefully that's not too much. It looks like it might be too much. So I'm gonna do half of that. It looks like it's too much. So I'm about to do that much. That still seems like it's too much. I don't wanna put this on my hair because I feel like it's gonna weigh it down. Oh, I just wasted this, y'all. Because I ain't about to put this on my hair. This is too much. It's like a lotiony kind of feel, and I just don't want all this on my hair. I hope I don't mess up my hair, but I feel like I'm about to. Yeah, I already feel like that. Anyways. I still got body. Just I could definitely feel like it's gonna be weighed down a little bit more, but whatever, because y'all know I don't wear my hair like this long anyways. Wow. Okay, so making sure my ends get it on there. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in with my number 7, which is my bonding oil. Looks like that. I'm just gonna put some on my hand, a couple of drops. Whew. Okay, it's supposed to give you some shine, but I feel like my hair was naturally already shined with the Shea serum, so I think this is definitely like a silk press, because your girl definitely did that. Don't want to forget my edges, and y'all saw I hit my edges just a little bit, not too much. My edges are growing back and I don't want to do any type of damage to it. So yeah, but yeah, so that's what my hair is looking like. I am at 14 inches and I am loving the results. My hair feels healthy, light, airy, smooth on my ends. It feels really good. That bond smoother as well as the bonding oil made it feel even better, I think. This feels really silky. But yeah, let me know what you all think. This is what your girl is working with right now, and I ain't mad. My hair, like I said, is 14 inches and we are going to be growing our hair out. We are going to be having healthy hair, holding on to no split ends, no dead ends. And let me just say this, because I want to make sure that y'all understand, you are going to have split ends in your hair regardless of what you do. It's just almost like the inevitable. No one has perfect hair. We just try to have a healthy journey, as healthy as it can be. So with that being said, I don't want you all to ever think that I don't have some split ends or I don't have any breakage, because I have breakage. I have split ends in my hair that sometimes I see. That's the point of doing dusting, getting trims regularly, to make sure that those split ends don't cause other split ends, because split ends, they're like this and they just go up the shaft and they cause and hang on to other hair, and that's how you get breakage. So yeah, that's it, y'all. Let me know what you think. Comment down below about my results, where your hair or what your hair is looking like. And yeah, and we will see each other in another video. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to Mrs.Cowart's journey, and we will see each other later. Bye, guys.
Love me like you do. Oh boy, I'm so down for you. So love me like you do. Love me like you do. Love me like you do. 'Cause boy, I'm so down for you.